so Jim McGuire of Native One Institutional Trading joins us. Jim, so do you think by Wednesday, if we see more details on the bank recapitalization, but not enough details on expanding the Eurozone Rescue Fund, will markets be happy with that?
Well, I think so. I think, of course, the banks are going to have to take their lumps one way or another. Obviously, Greece is at the root of much of this, but again, I would say we have forward progress, and that's what the market is. That's where the market is taking its cue. Now, that being said, if we get some sort of resolution, on Wednesday, then we might actually see the market sell off. It's the buy the rumor, sell the news type market.
How do you think investors are hedging themselves ahead of Wednesday then?
Well, we've seen some of our customers take advantage of all this volatility in the market. So instead of just taking their profits in some of the long positions they have, the increased volatility has resulted in expanded premiums in some of these out-of-the-money calls, and that's where they're starting to hedge themselves.
Do you think there's a lot of short covering in the market?
We haven't seen a particular amount of short covering. Most of our customers have been looking for opportunities to put money to work. This is the first time that we're seeing that there's a real commitment and there's a sense that the bottom has been put in for the year.
Okay, so you said that you think the S&P is going to move sideways for a bit more. When do you think we'll break out of this, and where do you think we'll be at the end of the year?
Right now we're at the top end of our recent range. Typically what happens is we can expect this sideways action for, I would say, at least another month or two. We could bump our head along the top end of this range for a moment. When we break above this, and I think we will break above this recent trading range, break above the recent top in this trading range, I think we could see a significant rally coming into year end.
Great. So Jim's saying that the S&P will see more sideways movement for about a month. We'll see if Wednesday makes a difference.